Look at this setup. Over 90% of enterprise systems remain on-premise, constrained by technological obsolescence. These legacy environments are hitting a wall. The future won't wait. With continuous waves of technology renewal driven by cloud hyperscalers and AI, modernization is now a mission-critical survival mandate. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a 4-step pragmatic transformation roadmap. By the end of this exercise, you will have a clear blueprint to migrate legacy systems into an AI-driven, cloud-scaled enterprise. Before we begin, you need 3 things on hand: your current high-level architecture diagram, your core business priorities, and a commitment to C-level participation. The goal of this blueprint is actionable modernization that delivers immediate, measurable impact. We are moving beyond theoretical advice and into execution. Step 1 is the audit and compare phase. Start by listing your specific on-premise bottlenecks. Find exactly where you hit storage limits, where processing slows down, and which technologies are obsolete. Map your rigid legacy servers on the left to specific modern capabilities on the right, like dynamic scaling or predictive analytics. This shifts your strategy from a basic lift and shift to completely re-architecting the core. You aren't just moving files, you're rebuilding for scale. Completing this step provides a clear before and after state. It highlights the tangible technological benefits of the cloud in a way that anyone in the organization can understand. Step 2 is C-level alignment. Take the technological benefits you just identified and connect them directly to core business outcomes, like revenue generation, efficiency, and speed. This flag represents leadership. Secure C-level advisory focusing on 3 mandatory pillars: architecture, governance, and technology. Absolute alignment is required. The Latin motto means fortune favors the bold. Without executive backing, complex migrations stall into bottlenecks you cannot engineer out of. Securing this backing early is the only way to ensure the roadmap moves from a document to a reality. Step 3 is mapping the guardrails. Initiating a cloud migration without rigidly defining your organization's security posture first creates unacceptable risk. This crest symbolizes enterprise protection. Map regulatory frameworks like GDPR directly onto your cloud architecture. The circuit patterns behind the eagle represent the integration of security and design. Disciplined engineering and protection are non-negotiable bridges between legacy authority and modern innovation. Define a formal compliance and security checkpoint. This is a mandatory requirement that must be cleared before any data leaves your on-premise environment. Embedding these guardrails into the roadmap early guarantees protection against regulatory fines and ensures the system remains resilient against technological obsolescence. Step 4 is hybrid execution and modernization. Now you must define your execution model. Organize your tasks across hybrid, remote, and on-site engagement teams to ensure execution excellence. Avoid the trap of moving old problems to new servers. This stage of the roadmap focuses on genuine, large-scale platform modernization. This completes the sequence. Your 4-step roadmap is now finalized and ready for the engineering teams. You now possess a documented end-to-end execution plan that is ready to deliver real, measurable results at scale. We have moved from constrained legacy servers to a concrete blueprint for an AI-driven, cloud-scaled enterprise. This roadmap provides 3 core foundations: business alignment, ironclad security guardrails, and a precise execution strategy. The next phase involves partnering with cross-industry experts to execute this roadmap. Turning these steps into reality requires a global track record of delivering transformation under international frameworks. Tackling complex challenges requires moving beyond advice and into building. By following this blueprint, you are empowering your enterprise to deliver meaningful outcomes.